Best deals.
1. Pan. Features a generously sized wood handle that remains cool to the touch during cooking and allows for a secure, comfortable grip. The naturally non-stick surface provides easy food release and effortless cleaning without the need for coatings that can chip over time. Whether searing meats, sautéing vegetables, or preparing pancakes and eggs, the pan is perfectly sized for most stovetop cooking tasks. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Dutch. Oval shape with high walls concentrates heat and cooks food from all sides. Ideal for layered dishes such as biryani, shepherd's pie and lasagna. Extra thick 7.5 mm base allows uniform heating without burning. Allows for metal thickness exactly where needed, so your pan is strong and heats evenly, yet is light and easy to handle. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Pan. Non-stick surface ensures quick and easy cooking, reducing the need for excessive oil or butter. With its compact 10 cm size, this fry pan is perfect for cooking individual portions of eggs, vegetables, or spices with precision. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dosa tawa. Made of high-quality Triple E material. 0% contact with aluminum and 100% PFOA-free. Quick and uniform heat distribution with no hot spots for quick and healthy cooking. It doesn't need hours of scrubbing to clean and is easy to maintain. Fitted with custom-made investment cast stainless steel handles for a more ergonomic grip. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Idli cooker. Premium durability crafted with thick, high-grade stainless steel for superior heat retention, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Fluffy idlis every time. Ergonomic design choices opt for the traditional stand or knob-equipped plates for effortless handling, catering to your comfort and cooking style. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Tin. Made with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance and style. Transparent see-through lid allows quick identification of contents while keeping them fresh and protected. Maximizes space utilization in your kitchen and pantry for organized storage. Perfect for storing dry food items like spices, tea, coffee, sugar, and snacks. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Flow mop. Durable telescoping mop handle with extra large mop head. Durable telescoping mop handle with extra large mop head. Rubberized corners to reduce damaging baseboards and furniture. Locking strips for easy attachment and removal of pad. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Brush. Constructed with sturdy plastic and powerful silicone soft bristles for long-lasting and highly effective use in various cleaning tasks. The cloth brush has an ergonomic handle, providing a secure and comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly scrub and remove dirt and stains from clothes without straining your hand. This cloth washing brush is simple to disassemble and refill. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Sprouts maker. Is ideal for sprouting Indian variety of grains, seeds, dals, channas, and chole, providing you with a constant supply of nutritious sprouts for salads, snacks, or cooking with a hygienic sprout maker glass jar. The quality sprouting box jar construction ensures that this sprout maker remains a reliable companion in your kitchen, providing long-lasting utility for sprouting hygienic long-root sprouts. Crafted from high-quality grade glass and BPA-free food-grade lead. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cooker. High-quality aluminium ensures quick, even heating for faster cooking and long-lasting use. Designed specifically for safe and efficient use on gas cooktops. Classic straight body design makes cooking and cleaning easy and convenient. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Blender. Adopts 40W high power motor, super high speed and stainless steel blade, strong and fast fresh pressing, can make a nutritious juice drink in 20 seconds. For the long life of the blade, it is not recommended to use crushed ice and meat. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Chocolate mold. Heart-shaped chocolate molds are made of high-quality silicone, ensuring durability and flexibility. Ideal for creating elegant chocolate treats with ease, this chocolate mold is perfect for any occasion. This silicone chocolate mold tray is designed for effortless chocolate bar creation. It is heat-resistant and easy to clean, making it an essential tool for both beginners and professional chocolatiers. Craft beautiful heart-shaped chocolates with this chocolate mold silicone. Its non-stick surface guarantees easy release and flawless results every time, enhancing your chocolate making experience. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Coffee maker. Suitable for use on induction hobs, with an aluminum upper part, suitable for induction hobs. Fill the boiler up to the safety valve, fill the filter up with ground coffee, close the mocha pot and place it on the stove top. As soon as mocha induction starts to gurgle, turn the fire off and coffee will be ready. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cutting board. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly teak for long-lasting performance and natural beauty in the kitchen. Features a stainless steel pull-out tray for easy collection and transfer of chopped ingredients, reducing kitchen mess and hassle. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Organizer. This baby essential organizer is super easy to install as it comes with plug-and-play parts. Give new look to your kids' room with this cute-looking organizer. Has 3 huge storage baskets to store multiple kids' essentials. Top storage has open-able helmet screen which acts as dust cover to protect items from dust. Easily move this kids' organizer from one room to other. Lock the wheel after moving to stop it from moving. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Roaster. Prepare papads, grill fulkas, make rotis, barbecue vegetables, roast brinjals, and even cook succulent roasted chicken effortlessly. The term can be used for holding papad, roti, fulka. Crafted with durable stainless steel, the 8-inch mesh jali ensures even cooking and consistent results. Elevate your kitchen decor with the sleek and sophisticated look of the stainless steel jali, reflecting your culinary style and expertise. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Steamer. A versatile kitchen companion designed for convenience and efficiency. Features: premium stainless steel build, crafted from high quality, food-grade stainless steel for durability, even heat distribution, and long-lasting performance. Multifunctional design, cookpot, perfect for boiling, steaming, or making delicious curries and soups. Strainer attachment, ideal for rinsing and draining ingredients with ease. Steamer insert, great for steaming vegetables, dumplings, or fish while retaining nutrients. Idli plates, includes 4 plates, each with 4 cavities, allowing you to make 16 perfectly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis in one go. User-friendly handles, heat-resistant handles for a secure and comfortable grip. Compatible with multiple cooktops, works seamlessly on gas stoves, induction cooktops, and electric stoves. Large capacity ensures enough food for family meals or small gatherings. Elevate your cooking game and make healthy, delicious meals with our stainless steel all-in-one cookpot, the perfect blend of style, convenience, and versatility. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this Vinod Idli steamer ensures uniform heat distribution and retains the authentic taste of South Indian idlis. Product link is given in the 17th link.